Canva has rolled out exciting AI updates that will make designing easier than ever. New indicators like stars on the search bar and other parts show you where AI is generating content. Let's check out Magic Studio, where all the AI features are housed. You will notice that some features are only available in the Pro version with the crown icon, like Magic Write, Switch, Animate, and Morph. Under Magic Media, we have text to video, text to image, and also have Magic Edit, Magic Grab, and Magic Extend. Let's start with Magic Design. This appears normally on the search bar and lets you enter at least 5 words, then populate for you designs and ideas based on the words you have chosen. This makes sifting through templates a breeze. Then we have Magic Presentations, which gives you a head start with slide generation. Simply go to the search bar and enter the type of presentation you're looking for. Say, for example, pitch deck presentations. Then choose from the list below the one that interests you. Today we'll focus more on the free options available. Once you decide on your template, you can apply all pages and choose Replace. This gives you a jump start on your slides by generating an outline. You can then review the slides generated and easily edit every aspect of each slide, including texts, images, colors, and shapes. Then next, we have Magic Design for video. This lets you use AI to generate a mobile video design based on the prompt that you give it. You will need to add prompts and at least 3 files. Then the AI mashes it up into an editable video complete with images, text, transitions, and even music. The AI icon here gives advanced options like beat syncing and audio effects. Then we have Magic Edit, which you can use to add, remove, or edit existing images by simply entering a prompt or choosing from the suggested prompts. Another way to access it is under Edit Photo right here. You would need to first brush over what you'd like to change, then click Continue and enter your prompt. Let's change these flowers to roses. As you can see, it generates for us 4 different designs and has an option to generate new results. Then select the one you like. Next, we have text to video under Magic Media. Here you will enter your prompt and the AI will generate a video based on your prompt, which you'll then add to your template and adjust as needed. Also, under Magic Media, we have text to image that you can get from Magic Studio here. Or you can go under Apps, then search for Magic Media. For our case, it's already here. Next, simply enter your prompt. It could be as simple as AI futuristic monkey, and it will generate for you 4 options. As usual, it will give you an option to generate again or even try different styles like filmic, photo, dreamy, and even anime. Once you get your desired output, you can simply drag and drop it to your template. Other features I recommend checking out include adding shadows from here, which you can do for images with no background, where you can change the size, the blur effect, color, among others. You can also try a glow or drop design, again with access to the same features. Another feature is effects on text. This makes them stand out more, where you can have different features like lift, outline, neon, glitch, echo, among others, with varying options to edit further until you have exactly what you need. Then we also have mockups. Mockups display designs in real-world templates by simply dragging the image into your selected mockup template for your clients to visualize your designs. Going back to the homepage, we see that beyond AI, Canva still shines with its wide array of templates to kickstart any visual project with many templates available. You can even create and edit a website from their templates and have the option to publish it with a free domain and even preview beforehand to make any changes you need, as well as check the layout to see how it appears on mobile. Canva's Magic Studio is an exciting new AI feature powered by ChatGPT, offering a range of innovative tools and capabilities. The Magic Studio is set to transform the creative process for Canva users, providing you with powerful resources to enhance your design and content creation. What are you waiting for? Check out Magic Studio today from the link in the description below, and also let me know in the comment section which feature you like the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.